What's up you guys, Randy Shaw here, back with another video. I want to start this video off by saying thank you. Thanks to you guys for watching. Thanks to you guys that left a comment or hit the like button. It really helps support the channel. Next, I want to ask you, what do you want? What do you want to see on the channel? What type of videos do you prefer? Is it the POV videos? Do you want to see more car shows? Do you want to see me modifying the car? Let me know what you want to see. I have a list of a bunch of videos that I want to do, but I also want to hear from you guys directly what you guys want to see. I appreciate you guys continuing to support the channel. Please leave a comment below and let me know if you have a question about the car, whether it's a Mitsubishi or my BMW, something that you might want to learn from. I'm more than willing to help make a video for that. So thanks for watching. See you guys next time.